Welcome back to the tavern and the Oasis, covered in snow. It is Christmas, December 25th. Merry Christmas to everyone. Happy New Year's to those that find this. Of course, this won't air until after Christmas, probably before New Year's though. So Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, have a good party in New Year. But up here at the Oasis, last you heard from me on the Oasis, I was just bailing out of here as the snow was starting to fall. Good thing I did. It was a tough drive home. There's some good video on that up online too. Make sure though, also remember, hey, like and subscribe and please share this stuff out. I really would appreciate you sharing it out. So without much further ado, this is just a quick check-in on the Oasis. Obviously, there's not a whole lot I can do back here today. I've got some work to do tomorrow. A couple of quick things. I got to bring some wood around to the front for my brother. So power is kind of iffy when the snow starts falling. Need to have some wood piled up for the wood fireplace. Also, you know, just to check out the Oasis and see that it's all covered in snow. It's kind of an amazing look right now. I do like the beauty of snow and how pretty it looks. It has been a very great Christmas. It was a nice one. Gave my kids some cool presents. You will see those. I'm not going to talk about those presents yet, but they will appear in an upcoming video. Probably in a couple, 3 weeks, they'll appear in an upcoming video and showcase what I got my boys for Christmas. You just imagine what it is. That's all I can say on that. I've started handing out my the Rogues Vanilla and the Rogues Sourdough. Dehydrated sourdough I've started handing out as presents and for people to test for me. So that is coming out and that will be happening in the new year, as I've said. I know it seems like I'm not doing a whole lot, but behind the scenes I'm still doing some things, getting some things done. It is the holidays. I tend to slow down, take more time off and goof off. I find that looking in my history, it seems I play Minecraft about this time every year for some reason. I just got to go dig holes and build stuff in a virtual world. Maybe that's because I can't get outside and dig and build, so I go do it virtually. At any rate, it is quite lovely. I really am grateful for those that have been watching the videos. Please share them out with your friends. Tell others about these videos. I'd like to see this channel grow this year and the Rogues Tavern grow. The membership section is about to come online. So some of the recipes that I have that have been free up to this point, anyone and everyone, they're going into the membership section. At first, they're going to go into the free membership section. So you'll just have to become a member to gain access to them. After that, after 6 months or 8 months, I will move them into the premium membership. And for those who become a free member in the probably 6 months to a year, so at least 6 months, anyone who becomes a free member in the first 6 months will be automatically granted 1 year of free membership into the premium membership, which the price won't be all that much. You'll see that coming up. It's going to be more than reasonable, a couple of bucks a month at most. So what can I say? It's been really quite great. My fire pit's covered. I left my chair out, which is covered in snow, so I've got to get that cleared of snow and hopefully dry out, because, you know, sometime later today I'm going to build a fire in the snow because I love snow. That's really all there is to it. And I need to clean the deck off. I need to snow shovel the deck off and the stairs on the deck and get all that cleared off. So we've got a whole lot going off. This is some of the things I'll do this weekend. What else do I have to say? That's really it. I should probably grab my trail cams and see how the trail cams did over the last 4 days. Actually, I'll just look in the snow and see what kind of tracks are there. If there's no tracks, I'm not going to bother with the trail cams yet. We'll just leave them. So the greenhouse looks like it shedded its snow quite well. And when I checked it when I got here, temperature's at 5 degrees for the greenhouse. I don't know how it's been all the rest of the time, but I know that the heater I set up in it and the lights on the timer must have been doing something good for it. This is really it. Welcome back to the Oasis on Christmas 2020. Been a hell of a year, folks. Hope your year has been good. Mine has been pretty decent for the most part. So I'll talk to you soon, and let me give you we'll take the camera for a quick walk through the Oasis while we look around and see what we got. Let's see what we got here. Keep forgetting that this camera does such a great job that it's easy enough to just pick it up and make it move. You get everything here, cups and ice and snow. Yeah, that's the wagon I gotta move. Go gather some wood tomorrow. That's kind of cool. It's neat how the snow falls on everything. piles up. You can see how piled high it was. Everything I did here, the beds I finished up. Let's see, what do we got? Those look like bird tracks. Keep your eye out. Let's see if I have any. This is a great time to find out if I've had any deer in here. I don't see anything. Looks like the poor bamboo's gotten beat up by the snow. It'll spring back though, I'm sure. Nothing there. Nope, no heavy tracks in there. Even the raccoons. Wait a sec, what we got there? Nope, that's nothing. Got nothing there. All right. Oh, look at this. So, gonna be a joy to pull that wagon through the snow drifts. Oh, I left the axe out. That's not good for the axe. There's thinking for you. Normally I would have cleaned that up. What we got here? Oh, we got some sort of... Nope, that's just drips from the tree. We do have critter paw prints here of some sort, but they're all mushed up with everything. Birds. We'll leave the trail cams for another week. Yeah, that's the tree branches dripping. Everything is dead now. That looks too cool. Yeah, interesting. Really not a whole heck of a lot here, folks. Oh, my Brussels sprouts have been hammered. I should have picked them last week. Yeah, we don't want to walk through that and get ourselves all covered in mud. We'll stay over here and all right, walk through here. This is it. Beds are completely covered in snow. Look at that. Chair's covered in snow. Yeah, I shouldn't have put it there. All right, get that. Yeah, it looks like we got a good couple 3 inches of snow here. What do you say? Yeah, about the length of my hand, fingers. That's after it's melted for a week, so there was quite a bit of snow. Let's go take a look inside the greenhouse and see how it fared. All right. Looks like the greenhouse fared quite well. Everything's working in here. All the lights are on. Plants are growing what few plants are supposed to be growing. Yeah, the greenhouse is doing quite nicely. Let's run some heat in here. Extra heat. Yeah, not bad. It's at 5 degrees, which is not bad. A couple degrees above the ambient temperature, as usual. Yeah, well, that's it. That's it from the Oasis. All right, we will talk at you soon.